The Jura ENA 4 Metro Black is a masterclass in how refined engineering and minimalist design can come together to create a coffee machine that is both a pleasure to use and a delight to behold. Every aspect of the ENA 4 feels purposeful, from its compact, geometric form to the thoughtful placement of its controls and components. The Metro Black finish, with its deep, lustrous sheen, gives the machine a contemporary edge, while the diamond pattern cylindrical water tank adds a tactile, jewel-like touch that elevates the aesthetic without overwhelming your kitchen space. Just make sure to check the description box for links to the best price on the Jura ENA 4. The ENA 4 is designed for those who value the purity of coffee above all else. It is a single-cup machine, which means it is focused entirely on delivering the freshest, most aromatic experience possible with every use. The heart of this process is the Aroma G3 grinder, a component that is both remarkably fast and exceptionally gentle on the beans. The Aroma G3 is engineered to grind coffee twice as quickly as previous generations, reducing friction and heat buildup, two culprits that can rob coffee of its nuanced flavors. By preserving the integrity of the beans, the ENA 4 ensures that every cup offers the full complexity of the roast, from delicate floral notes to deep chocolatey undertones. The brewing process is further refined by Jura's pulse extraction process, a hallmark of the brand's commitment to extraction excellence. Instead of a steady stream, the ENA 4 pulses hot water through the grounds in short, carefully timed intervals. This method draws out the richest possible flavor from the coffee, especially in shorter drinks like espresso and ristretto. The result is a cup that is not only aromatic and full-bodied, but also layered, with a crema that is dense and persistent, a visual and sensory testament to the quality of extraction. As the glowing Jura ENA 4 reviews will tell you, a defining feature for those who appreciate a stronger, more robust coffee is the doppio function. The ENA 4 doesn't simply double the water, it grinds, tamps, and brews twice for a true double shot. This process ensures that the doppio is not diluted, but rather intensified, with a mouthfeel and flavor profile that will satisfy even the most discerning espresso enthusiasts. The ability to prepare a genuine doppio at home with a single touch is a rare luxury in a machine of this size. The ENA 4's interface is a model of clarity and restraint. The symbol display eschews unnecessary complexity, presenting you with clear, intuitive controls for beverage selection and machine maintenance. This simplicity is not just about aesthetics, it's about reducing friction in your daily routine, allowing you to move seamlessly from bean to cup without distraction. The water tank, with its ergonomic design, is easy to remove, refill, and replace, making the process of keeping your machine ready for use almost effortless. Water quality is paramount in coffee preparation, and the ENA 4 addresses this with the Intelligent Water System, which utilizes RFID technology to automatically detect the Clearial Smart Plus filter. This ensures that every cup is brewed with water that is free from chlorine, heavy metals, and other impurities, preserving the clarity and brightness of your coffee's flavor. The filtration system also protects the internal workings of the machine from scale buildup, which not only extends the life of the ENA 4, but also reduces the frequency and hassle of descaling. For those who appreciate the convenience and customization of smart technology, the ENA 4 is compatible with Jura's Wi-Fi Connect, which links to the Joe app. This opens up a new dimension of control, allowing you to fine-tune your beverages, initiate brewing remotely, and monitor the status of your machine from your smartphone or tablet. This feature is particularly useful for those who like to experiment with different settings or who want to integrate their coffee ritual into a connected home ecosystem. In daily life, the Jura ENA 4 Metro Black is the embodiment of effortless excellence. It is quietly efficient, delivering consistently outstanding coffee with minimal intervention, and its compact design ensures it never dominates your kitchen space. The focus on essential features, combined with the Jura's signature attention to detail, makes the ENA 4 a perfect choice for purists and design enthusiasts alike. Those who believe that the best coffee is simple, direct, and uncompromising. I hope this review has helped you decide if the Jura ENA 4 is the right coffee machine for you. All the details and best offers are linked in the description box below, so be sure to take a look.